play you a little Adam Levine.
Okay. Whatever's got bass.
I love the North song.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Oh yeah. Nice. Point right here. Want to see the amp real quick? Oh, okay, I see. Got it. Looks good. You can start it. Tell me your name and what's in here real quick.
My name's Randy Ray. There's two 10-inch DB Drive G2s, Phantom 4K, and two excess power AGMs, one AGM under the hood, and a lithium for power.
Okay.
300 amp alternator with one OFC wire.
Yep.
I'll do sealed a little bit, and then I'll do open.
Nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you ever get it metered?
143.
Nice. All right. That's pretty good. Are you louder with the seats up or down at all? Have you tested that or?
Down.
Down? Okay. All right. Looks good. Pair of 10s. Is that what's your frequency peaking at now on this?
Frequency peaks out around 33-ish.
33? Okay. So low 30s. Cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. With Team
Crunkyard.
Team Crunkyard. All right.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Randy system he was showcasing at Summer Showcase in Jacksonville, Florida show. Pretty impressive. Two 10-inch subs playing down to the mid 20 hertz range really well. Definitely could play the lows. The second song you're going to see actually played perfectly at his peak frequency range. So be sure to give him a like. If you notice, he has the port on the right side behind the passenger with the subs going up. Pretty optimal for hatchback systems like this. There's a quick little close-up shot of how the subs look. The DB Drive WDX. I'm pretty sure these subs are rated at between 1200 and 1500 watt RMS. So he's probably putting a little bit underpowered versus how much power is ran to these subs that are rated for with this 2000 watt RMS amp. I actually was curious what the amp was rated at. That the American-based website rated it at 1 ohm, 2000 watts RMS. It is a 4000 watt amp, but only 2000 are actually going to the subwoofers, and that's before impedance rise and voltage drop. With a good electrical system to support the system, so I didn't really see a lot of voltage drop. We're getting to the demo now. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos, and enjoy.
Play you a little Adam Levine.
Okay. Whatever's got bass. Follow me.
recognize this one. This time I'll open the door some.
Hertz, 27, 28, somewhere around there. Nice. Is that your, what's your frequency peaking at now on this?
Frequency peaks out around 33-ish.
33, okay. So low 30s. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you.
Bro.
What was your name?
Randy Ray.
Randy Ray with Team
Crunkyard.
Team Crunkyard. All right.
Awesome.
Yes, sir.